Boost sales using these tactics. Offer promotions and discounts. People love to feel like they're getting a good deal. Offering discounts and promotions can help encourage people to make a purchase. Consider offering a limited time sale, a bundle deal, or a loyalty program. Provide exceptional customer service. When customers feel valued and heard, they're more likely to make a purchase and recommend your business to others. Train your staff to provide excellent customer service, respond quickly to inquiries, and go above and beyond to satisfy customers. Leverage social media. Social media is a powerful tool for reaching new customers and engaging with existing ones. Use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to showcase your products, run promotions, and engage with customers. Collaborate with influencers. Influencer marketing can be an effective way to reach a large audience and increase sales. Identify influencers who align with your brand and have a significant following. Consider offering them a discount or commission in exchange for promoting your products. Personalize the shopping experience. Personalization can help create a deeper connection between customers and your brand. Consider using customer data to tailor product recommendations, create personalized emails, and offer customized products. Offer free shipping. Many customers are deterred by high shipping costs. Offering free shipping can help encourage them to make a purchase. Consider offering free shipping on orders over a certain amount, or partnering with a shipping company to offer discounted rates. Focus on customer retention. Repeat customers are more valuable than new ones. Consider offering incentives for customers to return, such as exclusive discounts or early access to new products.